Hi everyone, welcome back to Tasty Curry Heaven. Today we will be making prawns masala. Here are the ingredients for prawns masala. I will also list them in the description box. We will first begin by marinating 1 kg of prawns or shrimp. The prawns has been cleaned and deveined really nicely. We will first marinate the prawns with salt 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, then add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic and chili paste, Now mix all of these together with the prawns and marinate the prawns in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. It has been 30 minutes and our shrimp has been marinated. Now heat the pan on a medium-high flame and add curry leaves to the pan. Then add 2 medium onions finely chopped and fry the onions in the oil. Once the onions are golden brown, then we are ready to add the marinated shrimp to the onions. Now mix the prawns with the onions and cook it for 2 minutes. Stir the onions with the shrimp really nicely. Now add 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, two tablespoons of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala. Now mix all of the masalas with the prawns really nicely. Taste the salt and see if you need any more. Now cover the lid and cook the shrimp with the masalas for 5 more minutes. As you can see, the prawns has rounded up and shriveled a little bit. That means the prawns has now been completely cooked. Now add 2 tablespoons of lemon or lime juice. And then add freshly cut cilantro or coriander leaves. Now give it a good mix, cover the lid and cook for 5 more minutes. It has now been 5 minutes and our shrimp has been nicely cooked. Now turn off the gas and we are ready to plate the prawns masala. I love eating my prawns just by itself, but you can also eat it with some garlic naan or roti or rice. Our prawns masala turned out so delicious, I definitely recommend giving it a try. I would definitely love to hear from you in the comment section below if you tried this recipe. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more delicious recipes just like this every week. Alright then, my friends, I will see you next time in our next recipe. Until then, get spiced and thrive.